Wow, I have come to know that some of you, my friends out there, don't want to bathe. But you don't know how to do it bathing. So, today, me, as a hop with a joker, I'm going to tell you the tips. The 6 tips and the steps to dodging bathing. The first one is go to the showers and touch the water from the showers. The second one is touch the water again using your leg to test whether it is cold or warm, and also to detect whether it will be comfortable for bathing. Then the third step is touch it with your head. Put your head there. If you find out the thing is still okay, then you can shift to the next step, which is the first step. In the first step, you check the water that has spilled over your head with your hand. Touch it, feel it with your hand. Then, the second last step, you lean using your forehead. You take off your forehead like this, just like a temperature gun. Then, the sixth step is try using your buttock, my friends. Let that thing splash on your buttock. I'm telling you, if you bathe, you will win a $1 million. You will just buy this from the shelf. Those are the steps, the 6 steps. Baby. Right.